Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Bisma Ramadan. Saya dari kelompok 4 bahasa Inggris akan membacakan paragraf 1. Electric lightning. Electric consumption the varies the dramatically the household around in the world. In the fact the average the European household consumes the 4,667 kWh in year. In the Japan in 5,945 kWh, while the 11,209 only the housing the high like the office man the money the saving at least the can reduce every the household in electric the consumption in low is 1,300 with the lasting the conformities in the year 10 times the less the average. Baiklah, saya akan menjelaskan tentang terjemahan yang saya bacakan tadi. Konsumsi listrik berbeda secara dramatis dalam rumah tangga di seluruh dunia. Pada kenyataannya, rata-rata rumah tangga di Eropa mengkonsumsi 4.667 kWh per tahun. Di Jepang 5.945 kWh. Sedangkan di rumah tangga Amerika umumnya mengkonsumsi 11.209 kWh dengan menggunakan peralatan yang mengurangi konsumsi listrik rata-rata hingga serendah 1.300 kWh. Tanpa kehilangan kenyamanan ini hampir 10 kali lebih sedikit dari rata-rata Amerika Serikat. Baiklah, saya akan membacakan kesimpulan dari paragraf 1. As the we know that the house electric around the world in the different in influenced by the house electric the by house all the time, and depending the electronic the wonder the was electric around the world Venus flower in purple in Brazil in the important use the electrical energy but by the out consumption access the electric the it will the definitely make the more complete. Sekian penjelasan dari saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dan akan dijelaskan oleh teman saya selanjutnya.
Compact fluorescent or CFLS can be used to replace incandescent bulbs. Compact fluorescent use 4 times less energy and lasts 8 times longer, or 8,000 H instead of 1,000 H than incandescent light bulbs. For example, a typical 75W incandescent bulb will be replaced by an 18W compact fluorescent. The compact fluorescent will be more expensive to buy, but you will need to replace it 8 times less often and it will use less electricity, which often make it the biggest electricity saver in your house. At a minimum, we recommended replacing the bulbs in all lamps that are used for 30 minutes a day or more. Berikut terjemahan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia dari paragraf di atas. Fluorescent compact atau CFLS dapat digunakan untuk mengganti lampu pijar. Lampu fluorescent compact menggunakan energi 4 kali lebih sedikit dan bertahan 8 kali lebih lama atau 8.000 jam bukan 1.000 jam dibandingkan bola lampu pijar. Misalnya lampu pijar 75 watt biasa akan diganti dengan lampu neon compact 18 watt. Lampu fluorescent compact akan lebih mahal untuk dibeli, tetapi Anda perlu menggantinya 8 kali lebih jarang dan akan menggunakannya lebih sedikit listrik, yang seringkali menjadikannya penghemat listrik terbesar di rumah Anda. Setidaknya, kami menyarankan untuk mengganti bohlam di semua lampu yang digunakan selama 30 menit sehari atau lebih. Conclusion from the paragraph above is, by using compact fluorescent lamps can save electrical energy and can save your expenses. Here are 3 example sentences from the paragraph above is, first, although compact fluorescent lamps are more expensive, they are more durable and use less electricity than incandescent bulbs. 2. Advantages and economical compact fluorescent lamps can be used at home to replace all incandescent light bulbs. 3. By using fluorescent lamps, your life becomes brighter and more comfortable.
Fluorescent tubes are even more efficient than compact fluorescent lamps and last over longer, 10,000 to 20,000 using tubes with a modern billet starter that avoids flickering and littering immediately, and another 20%. Obviously, another option is a CPL with a dedicated feature. The electronic billet, which is part of the picture, lasts 40,000 horse and blocks can be splendid sparkly at lower cost. Both CPLS and fluorescent tubes are also available in domestic pictures. This can ensure comfort, save even more energy, and extend the lifetime of the bulb. Tabung fluorescent bahkan lebih efisien daripada lampu fluorescent kompak dan bertahan lebih lama 10.000 sampai dengan 20.000 H. Menggunakan tabung dengan starter belach modern yang menghindari kedipan dan pencahayaan segera menambah efisien 20%. Opsi lainnya adalah CPL dengan masa depan yang berdedikasi belach elektronik yang merupakan bagian dan fitur bertahan sampai 40.000 jam, dan bagian dapat diganti secara terpisah dengan biaya lebih rendah. Baik CPLS dan tabung fluorescent juga tersedia dalam perlengkapan yang dapat diredupkan. Ini dapat meningkatkan kenyamanan, menghemat lebih banyak energi, dan memperpanjang masa bohlam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M. Anam Ma'ruf. I will read paragraph 4 and explain the point. They have a power of 200, 300 or more produce let of head and are actually so hot that they can cause serious burns and start fires. Just on hot summer day, they are very uncomfortable to be around. I prefer them only. As 5080 at 114 but they can save lot of energy and even your life. Lampu lantai halogen harus dihindari karena memiliki daya 300 watt atau lebih, menghasilkan banyak panas dan sebenarnya sangat panas sehingga dapat menyebabkan bakar serius dan memicu kebakaran. Selain itu, Pada hari-hari musim panas, mereka sangat tidak nyaman berada di sekitar lampu lantai. Sel hanya menggunakan 50 sampai 80 watt pada 104 Fahrenheit. Mereka dapat menghemat banyak energi dan bahkan hidup Anda. Kesimpulan, kita harus berhati-hati dalam menggunakan lampu lantai halogen karena memiliki 300 watt lebih dari lampu lantai halogen. Sangatlah panas untuk itu. Kita harus menghindarinya karena dapat menyebabkan luka bakar akibat panas dari lampu tersebut dan dapat menyebabkan kebakaran. Saat musim panas, mereka mengecilkan daya lampu supaya tidak terlalu panas saat berada di sekitar lampu. We have to be careful in using halogen floor lamp because they have many things 350 halogen floor lamp are very hot. For that we must avoid them because they can cause wood due to heat. Some they cool down the power of the light. 13 that they don't get too hot around the lighting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sign house. Using A to B when a vehicle MDA started test effort flicking and immediately and send everything by 10 bracket. Compact fluorescent lamp use 4 times less energy and less time long 8,000 hours instead of 1,000. 10 in the scan like bulbs. Compact fluorescent lamp will cost more to buy, but you will need to replace them 8 times less often and they will consume less electricity, which often makes them the biggest electrical saver in your body. Another opinion is a CVL with a special feature. Electronic balustrades are part of the featureless house and the lamp can be reflected fatally at a lower cost. Electrical lighting consumption. This is almost 10 times less than the use average CVL fog lamps use online to HV. Maybe that's the result of paragraph 5. Thanks all and thank you. Electric lighting. Electric consumption varies than made in households around the world. In fact, the average house in Europe consumes 4,667 kWh a year. In Japan, it is 5,945 kWh, while an average American household consumes 11,100 kWh. Only using high efficient and money-saving equipment and reduce average household electrical consumption by as low as 1,100 kWh without losing comfort. This is nearly 10 times smaller than the US average. Compact fluorescent CVLs can be used to replace incandescent lamps. Compact fluorescent lamp use 4 times less energy and less high time longer 8,000 instead of 1,000 hours. 10 incandescent like bulbs. For example, our Edna 75 W incandescent bulb will be replaced by and I-10 we compact incandescent cloud. Fluorescent tubes are even more efficient compact fluorescent lamp and they last longer than our 220 handhelds. Using A2B with a vehicle MDA started test effort flicking and image lighting and send everything by 10 seconds. Compact fluorescent lamp use 4 times less energy and less time long 8,000 hours instead of 1,000. 10 incandescent light bulbs. Compact fluorescent lamp will cost more to buy, but you will need to replace them 8 times less often and they will consume less electricity, which often makes them the biggest electrical saver in your body. Another opinion is a CVL with a special feature. Electronic balustrades that are part of the featureless house and the lamp can be replaced separately at a lower cost. Electrical lighting consumption. This is almost 10 times less than the use average CVL fog lamps use online to IHV. Maybe that's the result of paragraph 5. That's all and thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Will name is Muhammad Fadil Ramadan. Will discuss paragraph 6. Also, compression to eviction heating of the lab to an increase in the as of lights. To some describe, this can be a positive effect as it can increase comfort and your well-being, but it can also lead to wasting light, such as leaving lamp on when there is no light to when you leave the room. This is reinforced by the misconception that turning CLVC on and off is expensive. As a general rule, always turn off the lights when you leave the room or the house in moderate and cool climate zone. Space heating takes up at least half of the overall energy use. Terjemah dalam bahasa Indonesia. Juga konversi untuk pencahayaan yang efisien seringkali menghasilkan peningkatan penggunaan cahaya. Pada tingkat tertentu, hal ini dapat menjadi pengaruh yang positif, karena hal itu dapat meningkatkan kenyamanan dan kesejahteraan Anda. Tetapi juga dapat menuntut pada pemborosan cahaya, seperti meninggalkan lampu saat tidak perlu, misalnya Anda meninggalkan ruangan. Ini diperkuat oleh kesalahpahaman bahwa menyalakan dan mematikan lampu adalah mahal. Sebagai aturan umum, selalu matikan lampu ketika Anda meninggalkan ruangan atau rumah. Dalam zona iklim yang sedang dan dingin, pemanasan ruangan angkasa menyerap setidaknya setengah dari penggunaan energi secara keseluruhan. Kesimpulan, jangan Anda boros menggunakan cahaya lampu dan matikanlah lampu jika tidak diperlukan, dan hidupkanlah jika perlu. Apalagi kalau Anda keluar rumah tetapi tidak mematikan lampu, sama saja Anda memperboros diri sendiri. 3 tension in paragraph 6. 1. Why are you resentful using lights? Because you don't turn off the light when you leaving the house. 2. When is the right time to turn off the light? The time to turn off the light in is temperate and cool climate zone. 3. We heating
the ROM can absorb more energy because space absorbs at least half of the total energy user. Terima kasih.